Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Waze and confirming you're signed in. This ensures changes sync. Tap the search bar, then the small settings gear in the corner to access app options. Once in settings, locate the vehicle or car icon entry. It's where Waze stores your current car model and icon. Now tap that vehicle area to reveal the list of available car icons and customization options. This first step gets you into edit mode, so you can pick a new car appearance immediately. Once you're viewing the vehicle options, scroll through the available icons and models to find one that fits. You can preview selections by tapping them so you see how it looks on the map. If you need a different style, choose Add Vehicle to create a custom entry or pick from additional packs. Make sure to edit any nickname or details if Waze offers that field, because those labels help identify multiple vehicles later. When you're happy, proceed to confirm the change so it becomes active. After picking your vehicle, you must confirm or save to apply it across drives. This step writes the choice to your profile so Waze displays the new icon in navigation. Once done, test by starting navigation. Make sure the icon appears and matches your selection. If it does not update immediately, restart the app and check that you're signed in with the same account. And if problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Waze, then sign back in. That usually resolves sync or display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.